Hi everyone, it's Christmas morning and we're gonna open our presents now.
Celine!
What do you say to Santa, Daddy?
Thank you.
Did Santa drink the beer?
Yeah.
Naughty Santa. Well, that
The reindeer just had a little bit of carrot.
Is that the tooth? Huh? Is that the tooth mark?
Imagine if this tooth fell out.
Look.
And he licked it. He didn't even lick it.
I think he had some.
Did they lick it?
See?
Oh, yeah.
And the cakes. I told you Santa ate the cakes and the donut. Paris.
No way.
Who's that for?
That's mine.
Oh yeah, I forgot you wrote the letter, didn't you?
I did.
Did you?
Heavy.
Did you write a letter?
This is so heavy. It wasn't heavy a long time ago.
Maybe like it's not heavy.
It was heavy to me. And it didn't make that sound.
We'll check. I want to check.
Imagine if he didn't take my letter. Doesn't matter. I write on. Wait.
Is that what you wrote to Santa?
Is that your letter to Santa?
No.
Where's your letter?
He took it.
Did he?
Where's
I
your
know.
letter?
Can you show me?
He took it.
Oh, he did.
Okay, let me read it. Dear Presents Filipina, I have been watching you both
Oh.
all year. You both being good girls, so you deserve all the presents. Please be good to each other. Give each other kisses and hugs all the time. Do not fight.
He knows he's been watching you fight. Wow.
I'm gonna put this in the note.
Are you gonna keep that?
Huh?
You need to keep that letter from Santa?
No. Merry Christmas. And we're just gonna wait for my sister Celine and then we will video this again of us doing our presents.
Merry Christmas to you.
Wow, which one's which?
Merry
Which one's which?
Christmas
This
to
is for
you.
Noah.
Ah, that's yours both. Let's see, Paris and Salim. This is
Mommy.
Mommy and Daddy's. Right, you're not opening it. You're opening it later with everything else. Merry Christmas, dear Lini. Merry Christmas to you. Hip hip.
Hooray.
Hip hip.
Hooray.
Hip hip.
Hooray.
Hooray! Merry Christmas. Cuddle up.
Merry Christmas, Lini. Santa.
Santa's king.
Santa, come.
Do you want to see the food?
Come.
Lini. A red. What's inside?
Penny.
You can.
Oh my God.
Look how. Ayun na, let her do it.
Hold here. Now flip.
Oh, see what I've got there.
Penny. Give it
Is
out.
it? Okay, look. Put your hand in. See what's in there.
Penny.
Is it candy?
Yeah. Grab. Get it. No Penny.
Candy?
No Penny. Penny's there. Get it.
Oh!
Actually, we'll get
Hot. The small. Wow, Celine.
more candy.
Say thank you,
More
Santa.
candy. Santa.
Daddy is making breakfast and the kids gusto na talaga nilang mag-open ng presents. So, sabi ng daddy nila, you can open the card from Lola Karen first. Come here, Lily. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
So we're gonna open mine and Celine's first.
Okay.
I'd rather open it first.
Okay.
Ooh, this is a nice one, nice and sparkly.
Look.
It's not clear.
Look at there.
There it
Hey, let it go.
is.
Look at that. Ay, Lola's card. Ang tatanawa. Ang la 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 la.
So we got this one. That's very beautiful. And turns.
Oh, look at Lini.
Wow. Look at
Oh wait,
that.
there's more. There's more $5.
Oh,
Wow. How much did you get from Lola?
100.
Oh, it says here. Read it.
100 each, please. Thank you, Lola.
Say that. Thank you, Lola. Say thank you, Lola.
Now I gotta do
Say
the
thank you, Lola. Lola got
second.
your card. Wait, that's mommy's and daddy's.
I know,
say
but
thank you, Lola, to Lini.
you can open it.
Lini, say thank you, Lola.
It's still yours, but we're still opening it.
Hey, say thank you, Lola. Ay. Kuhaan ko na yung
Mine.
lollipop ka ron.
Still for
Say thank you, Lola.
mine. Lollipop.
Say thank you, Lola.
Lollipop. I feel like do you still have it? Same card though.
Is it?
Yeah, see? Same.
Wala pang masuklay, guys. Kakagising pa lang talaga, oy.
$50.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I only got 2.
Paris like you only got 2.
Baka bigyan kami?
You only get 2 boxes. Stitos.
Dear Michael.
4 Stitos. Yeah, Michael and Joey. Merry Christmas. Wishing you wishing you a magical and
What's this one, Daddy?
What?
list.
And let's hope 2024 brings you all much happiness, prosperity, and health. Love you all. Mom.
Lollipop.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you.
Lollipop. Oh, Armani.
Wow.
Let me count. 1.
You can get present,
Two.
but you gotta keep that. Remember what Lola said? You have to keep the other 50 for your bags.
6. Hi, everyone. It's Christmas morning, and we're gonna open our presents now.
Alright.
You just have.
First present.
Oh! Who will have the first one? Oh my goodness!
Celine!
What do you say to Santa, Daddy?
Thank you.
Thank you. Open there. Open.
Open.
Open. We'll see what's inside.
Happy house. And Mary.
Open?
We'll see. Open.
Open. Open. Happy holiday.
Lini?
That's what you got.
We'll get that.
Lini. What's that?
Oh!
What's that for?
You can hold it like Mr. Shrimp.
Big!
Lady.
Oh, look at Lady's note from Santa. Wow! Do you like it? Do you like it?
Making dance? Hey, Lini!
Now go get us what you want that outside our arm. Lena, mine.
Push it.
Yeah, this is nice too.
Wow! Okay,
It's ours.
Ate!
Give a second. That's mine.
Ate!
Yay! Okay, this way lang. Ate, open first ulit. Oh!
Present.
This one's only.
Present.
Elsa, this one's only.
Open it.
The present. Maybe your turn.
Wow!
Is that Lego?
Yeah.
Is that Lego?
What's that?
Open. Lily, open.
I'm Mimi. I thought it was puzzles.
What do you think it was?
Mimi, puzzles. I thought it was puzzles. Like
Lego for us to build.
Okay, go. Lily's
Where?
studying.
Lily's done?
But where do I
You
put
want to open
them?
yours?
I want Lily's.
Wow, look, another one, Lily, for you. We'll put it here,
This one?
okay? Yeah. Lily's. Whoa.
Ah,
What's this one? Oh, it's Elsa.
Are we going to build it together?
a mermaid.
Wow! Lily! Look at that!
Look, that's the real
Wow! Who's that?
mermaid.
Mermaid!
My friend has that.
Who's this?
My friend has that. Mermaid.
What's mermaid's name?
See me.
Sin Ariel. Ariel, remember? Yay! Thank you, Sasa. Thank you, Santa.
Oh, we're in this one now.
It's a big seed.
Yay! It's small.
Oh.
That's another thing.
Let me open for you 1 week.
Oh my god, it's like pasta puzzle. My look, it's like pasta puzzle. Aw, this is nice. It's a swimming thing.
Look, I just got.
Oh! Are you going to run out to the beach?
Put it on Paris. See if it fits you.
Okay,
Just no, it's okay. We just put it on top.
like this. That's nice. Like,
That's really nice, Faris.
I like orange, my favorite.
Lily, look, open another one. My mama will open this.
Whoa, you got some big presents coming.
I like this position.
Oh, Lily, maybe you can, maybe I can help.
I can help. Okay, I want to help. Maybe it's not the same. Magic.
What is it?
It's the same. It's the same, mommy.
Oh my god, Santa, how'd you know?
Look. What's that for?
Jimmy.
For
Look.
swimming? Look.
My senior.
Yeah, it's very interesting. What is it?
I got a big present.
Oh. Happy.
Open.
Oh my god, it's like
Oh, so Lily loves this. See?
a knife.
What kind of gnome?
What is that?
This one, I remember like we read codes and I wanted it.
Did you want that?
Did you like that? Wow, how did Santa know?
Because you know it.
Really?
Yeah. Come on, open it.
Why do you like that lot?
Because I like it.
That's Reese.
It's my friend. This is mommy's present now.
Is that your big?
Oh, see?
Uh-huh.
Ito rin nila kahapon. Hindi ko alam. Lily! Mommy is opening her present. Ah.
Dad.
Look, a Birkenstock. Daddy has been telling me na ito yung bilhin niya. Ang sabi ko, wag na kasi. Look.
Very nice.
Thanks, Daddy.
Put them on.
Hindi ko in-expect ko, ha.
Is this yours?
Oh, Daddy, it's big.
No, it's not.
It is.
Paris said that's your size.
6.
Oh, this is 37.
Nah, because that's the equivalent.
So you're right.
Daddy.
Nice.
Very comfy.
Queensland.
Told you this is coffee.
Byron Bay.
My turn.
Minister.
I know.
Okay.
So,
Wow, it's a leaf.
I love hat.
What's that?
A hat.
Open.
The hat. Open.
What is it?
go, buddy.
Wow, Lily. Oh my God.
Wait, who is this girl? That's Bobby.
Oh, Bobby, okay, put it on.
Sleeping Beauty. She's sleeping.
Put it on. Look. Wow.
Sleeping Beauty.
Is that? It's Aurora.
Aurora.
Wow, Lily.
Lady, look at me. Spin.
This one?
Okay,
Look.
here's
Wow, spin.
mine.
Show Daddy.
Mummies.
Thank you. Can Mama open this? Whoa.
Open it.
Sana all. Michael Hill.
Can you show us the lens?
Anklet. Yes.
Lenny.
These are what I got.
Ayan.
This is what I got.
Put this on. Thank you, Daddy.
Celine. This one. Lenny.
Open.
Thank you, Daddy.
That's me and Mammy. That's me. Open. Here.
Open.
Mia. Open. Ate, help her open this thing. Open this one and show to her. We'll see the princess dress. Oh no, my goodness. Oh my God. Oh my God, look at this, Lynn.
Wait, I thought it was Rapunzel.
What's that?
Yeah. How did Lainey know? I thought it was Rapunzel.
Oh, look at that.
Bye.
You wanna wear? Okay, come, let's wear. Okay, Daddy.
Ate.
Yeah, let me.
That big one on the bottom.
You open? Is that yours?
Yeah, it's mine.
That's Ate Paris. Yeah, open. Let's see. It's from Tita Arkin.
Lenny. Dress.
Look na agad na yun niya kanina.
Dress.
This one's fine. It's a Barbie doll. It's a mermaid tail. That's mermaid.
You like it?
Oh wow, what do you say? Say thank you, Tita Arkin.
Thank you, Tita. I can.
And Seth and Tita Sam. Wow, beautiful.
Alright.
That's nice. Lini, open.
Okay.
Wow, have a
Okay,
look at
open this
Lini's
one.
dress. It's amazing.
From Miss Moore.
It's a book.
Open it up.
It's a book.
Yes.
I know because
Oh, I'm wondering what this is.
I opened it by accident and then I
This
realized
is from
I
Tita Aiken as well. Oh my God, you got pig. Now you got, what's this? Is it a dog?
Ducky.
Is it a dog?
Happy?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
That's
Sure.
I can do it.
Look at Paris's. Whoa.
Love me,
Oh,
Oh my God.
is that a big scooter now?
Wow. It's for big girl. Look at this. She's 5 to 12 years old.
What's that?
Scooter.
Do that.
Ang mukha ni Lily. What's that? Open. Let's see what's inside.
I'm red.
Are we gonna come downstairs and go for a ride?
Oh my goodness. Look at
Paris.
this.
Paris. That is one bloody cool scooter.
Okay, that's how.
Lenny.
I'll open.
Look here. Hold this. Cool. And pull this one.
That's okay.
What have you got?
They're like half plastic.
Lily, what is that?
Lenny, what have you got? What's this?
She's not finished with the wrapper yet.
Lenny, what's this? Who's this for?
Like,
For Lenny.
like.
Lenny's bike.
Good.
I love Princess.
Thank you.
My turn.
Open.
One.
Oh my God.
too.
Daddy, di ba 18 lessons?
So, yan yung kanyang regalo, di ba? In-open na niya nang dumating. Kaya hindi na siya shock.
7. 8.
Another mascara? Another mascara?
Test ride nila ang kanilang scooters. Baby Celine, test ride ang kanyang baboy. Anak, do that, anak. That's dangerous, please. Do yours. Lady! Pig! Oh no! Pig fell down.
You really have bag?
Look!